In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an age verification pop-up to your Wix website, ensuring a smooth and effective way to verify your user's age before they access your content. Let's get started by heading over to the Wix App Market. This is a valuable resource where you can find all sorts of tools to enhance your website. Today, our focus is on age verification apps. In the search bar of the App Market, type in age verification to see a range of options pop up. These apps are designed to help you easily manage who can view your site based on their age, ensuring that your content reaches the right audience. Among the options, you might find an app like Age Verification by Purple. Click on this app to take a closer look. This app is beneficial as it provides a straightforward solution for age verification, requiring minimal setup. Once you've decided this is the app for you, click on Add to Site. This action will initiate the installation process, seamlessly integrating the app into your Wix website. With the app now added to your site, you're going to want to follow the prompts that guide you through setting up your preferences. These prompts are designed to be intuitive, leading you step by step. First, you'll set the age requirement that fits with your website's needs. Whether your content is suitable for visitors 18 and over or another age range, you can specify it here. This step is crucial as it directly protects your site from underage visitors. Next, you'll want to customize the pop-up design to align with your site's aesthetic. The app offers various design options, allowing you to choose colors, fonts, and styles that best fit your brand's look. Personalizing this aspect not only maintains brand consistency, but also enhances user experience by creating a seamless visual journey as visitors explore your site. Once your preferences are set, the app does the heavy lifting for you. It will automatically embed a verification pop-up on your site, making age verification an integral part of your website's user journey. Visitors will see this pop-up before accessing your content, prompting them to confirm their age and ensuring compliance with legal standards. To make adjustments or check how the pop-up is performing, head over to the app's dashboard. This serves as your control center, where you can refine settings, track activity, and ensure everything is running smoothly. Should you need to make any changes, whether to the design or age requirements, you can conveniently do so from the dashboard at any time. By following these steps, you've successfully added an age verification system to your Wix website. It's a simple yet effective way to manage access to your content, ensuring that your site is both safe and compliant with age restriction regulations. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful website tips and tutorials.